So first, I'm just cooking my udon noodles like you cook any other noodles, except for this just cooks really, really fast in like 3 minutes. And then I'm also making sure that I get fresh water for the soup after, so I'm draining that. And then I'm just putting in my carrots and some soy sauce, and I recommend using a better variety of vegetables for sure. I was just kind of using up what I had. But then I'm just stirring up, and also between all of these steps, you really want to put on the cap and just let all the flavors mesh. I'm putting in some seaweed, as well as some veggie broth. And as for my tofu that I use this like pre-packaged snack tofu, which I don't recommend using. I recommend just using regular tofu and cutting it up. I think this is like my one thing that I would have changed about this recipe for sure, because this tofu is super strong in flavor and it kind of just took too much of that flavor. Anyways, this is a very crucial tip here. I just scoop some of the broth out into a small bowl, and I'm making like a concentrate of the soybean paste, and then I'm gonna just put that back into the soup. It's just easier this way to work on like a small amount of the soup, I guess, you know what I mean? So that there are no chunks, and then, And then here I'm putting in some seasoning and stuff. I'm just putting in some nutritional yeast, cayenne pepper, and paprika. I love paprika. I use paprika on everything. And then I'm putting in my udon noodles. I love udon noodles so much. I kept snacking on them the whole time I was making this, and they're delicious. Anyways, so you just want this to sit and really like combine all the flavors. But I hope you like this recipe and got some inspiration or some ideas on a recipe. Bye bye.